has been a premier partner for Ingram Micro over the years. Our engagement has been more than 5 years old, and I can actually call them a strategic infrastructure partner as far as our infrastructure services are concerned. So our engagement with Aspire started with the level 1 global service desk operations, and we had a challenging environment. Our environment wasn't mature, so we brought in Aspire. They did a lot of groundbreaking work in terms of looking at the number of incidents, how to further reduce the number of incidents. So when we started off, we had an initial volume of around 30,000 incidents, and Aspire used their expertise in automation, their expertise in bringing in new tools, and also their expertise in making sure that the groundwork is done as far as incident management is concerned. So they were actually helpful in driving down the number of incidents, driving down the number of alerts, and also using automation to bring down the cost by at least 40% by virtue of reducing the number of incidents that were being created. So when we started off, as I mentioned earlier, we were looking at Aspire as purely a service desk and an infrastructure partner. The solution wasn't mature enough, so we sat with Aspire, we went through different solutions, and one of the services solutions that they suggested was actually ServiceNow, and they were instrumental in doing the deployment. We are spread across more than 30 countries, across geographies, and our service desk operations provide 24/7 support. So we were looking at impacting more than 30,000 users. Implementation, it was done in 3 months' time, which I think was pretty impressive. And one of the major challenges that we faced during the deployment of ServiceNow was regarding how we can integrate ServiceNow with the legacy application. I'm happy to say that Aspire was able to use their knowledge and their previous deployment expertise to make sure that the integration was carried out successfully and also in a seamless manner. What really impressed me about Aspire was their commitment and their drive to achieve what they had promised within the budget and within the time frame.